Hi, and welcome to the Artifact 3 review for Group 12 NASA VR project. During this sprint, we were able to create a sky sphere and a sun. We were also able to modify the landscapes and textures of the asteroid and some of our objects. And we were also able to add some data points and videos for educational purposes for the user during their experience. And here's Julie to talk about the spice and the project.
Yeah, for Spice, we've talked to Mr. Acton, who is an NAIF personnel, in attempt to get some Spice collaboration efforts from them. They've given us a little more insight into Spice kernels, though we have achieved most of this research already. They did steer us away from using JSON files, which is good, good new information. We've also altered our project timeline for a better estimation for our project's trajectory, since we are moving at a pretty good clip. And we also worked on skeletal structures in our objects for item articulation. We've done a lot of prototyping in that realm. And here's Dakota to talk more about objects.
We also imported new space object models into the project for Mars, Ceres, Bennu, and Vesta to display within our project Skysphere. We also implemented gravity relative to Eros, and we created a prototype for directional gravity. Now here's Ryan for story structure and character.
As you can see, we have a system to move between the different scenes of the game and provide information about the key event that it relates to within the mission. At any point, you can move to whichever scene that you want. And we also added some improvements to the player character, moving a lot of the functionality onto just the triggers to make it easier to pick up and play. And we added some new mechanics, simulating interacting with space objects and scanning objects. And that is everything. This has been our Sprint 3 Artifact View. Thanks.